planning. So when you're in the planning section, this is when you're supposed to go deeper. And then, remember, I was saying I've seen it in other organizations where it's different. Where I was at an organization where they had a detailed project scope. And the next one's project objective. They had a very detailed project objective and a very detailed project timeline. And I was confused, family. I was confused because um, I don't want to use the excuse say, "Oh, I've never done it that way," but I didn't. But I was like, the whole point of a project charter is more of a high level overview, and then when you get to those planning area, that's when you really unpack. That's when you really get the team together because normally who puts the project charter together is a combination of either the project sponsor and a project manager, or it may just be the project manager asking questions. Another version I've seen it where it may be the project manager, project sponsor, as well as a one key stakeholder that may have been identified that has an understanding of the project.